Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular trends in fashion and shopping, and that is thrifting. Thrifting is a great way to find unique and vintage pieces at affordable prices. In this video, we will be discussing what thrifting is, how to thrift, 15 thrifting store hacks, and things you should and shouldn't buy at thrift stores. So, what is thrifting? Thrifting is the act of buying second-hand items at a discounted price. These items can include clothing, furniture, books, and other household items. Thrifting has become increasingly popular over the years, as people are looking for ways to save money, reduce waste, and find unique items that they cannot find in traditional stores. But, wait! How to thrift? Research. Before heading to a thrift store, do some research to find stores in your area. You can also look online to find reviews and information about the stores. Have a plan. Thrifting can be overwhelming, so it's important to have a plan before you go. Make a list of the items you are looking for and have an idea of the stores you want to visit. Check the labels. When looking for clothing, check the labels for the material and care instructions. Avoid clothing that is heavily stained, ripped, or has a strong odor. Try everything on. Sizes can vary from brand to brand and from year to year, so it's important to try everything on before purchasing. Look for quality. Look for items that are made of high-quality materials and are in good condition. Check for loose threads, missing buttons, and any other damage. Haggle. Most thrift stores are open to negotiation, so don't be afraid to ask for a lower price. Now, let's jump to the most awaited topic. 15 thrifting store hacks. Look for designer brands. Many thrift stores receive donations from high-end retailers and may have designer brands at a fraction of the cost. Check the men's and kids sections. These sections often have hidden gems that can be repurposed or styled in a unique way. Look for vintage pieces. Thrift stores are a great place to find vintage items, such as denim jackets, band t-shirts, and vintage dresses. Check the lingerie section. Many thrift stores have a section for lingerie and pajamas, which can be great for finding unique and comfortable loungewear. Look for leather jackets. Leather jackets are a classic piece that can be expensive when purchased new. Look for them at thrift stores and get them at a fraction of the cost. Look for athletic wear. Thrift stores often have a section for athletic wear, which can be great for finding workout clothes or comfortable loungewear. Check for furniture. Thrift stores often have furniture for sale, which can be great for finding unique pieces at a discounted price. Look for books. Many thrift stores have a section for books, which can be great for finding rare or out-of-print books at a low cost. Look for scarves. Scarves are a great accessory that can be found at thrift stores in a variety of styles and colors. Check for vinyl records. Thrift stores often have a section for vinyl records, which can be great for finding rare or out-of-print albums at a low cost. Look for jewelry. Thrift stores often have a section for jewelry, which can be great for finding unique pieces at a low cost. Check for artwork. Thrift stores often have artwork for sale that can add a unique touch to your home decor. Look for pieces that match your style and color scheme. Check for kitchenware. Thrift stores often have a section for kitchenware, which can be great for finding unique and vintage pieces to add to your collection. Look for hats. Hats are a great accessory that can be found at thrift stores in a variety of styles and colors. Check for musical instruments. Thrift stores often have musical instruments for sale, which can be great for beginners or for those who want to try out a new instrument. Look for decorative pillows. Thrift stores often have decorative pillows, which can add a pop of color and style to your home decor. Things you should and shouldn't buy at thrift stores. First, let's check what should we purchase at any thrift store. Clothing. Thrift stores are a great place to find unique and vintage clothing pieces. Furniture. Thrift stores often have unique furniture pieces at a discounted price. Books. Thrift stores often have a wide selection of books at a low cost. Jewelry. Thrift stores often have unique and one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces at a low cost. Artwork. Thrift stores often have unique and vintage artwork at a discounted price. Don't buy everything at thrift store. Not everything is valuable. So what shouldn't purchase at thrift store? Mattresses. Mattresses are a personal item and should be purchased new. Underwear and swimwear. Underwear and swimwear are personal items that should be purchased new for hygienic reasons. Car seats. It's important to purchase car seats new to ensure they meet current safety standards and have not been involved in any accidents. Personal care items. Personal care items, such as makeup and skincare products, should be purchased new for hygiene reasons. Tires. It's important to purchase tires new for safety reasons and to ensure they have not been involved in any accidents. In conclusion, thrifting can be a fun and affordable way to find unique and vintage items. By using these 30 thrift store hacks and being cautious about what you purchase, you can make the most of your thrifting experience and find some amazing treasures. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. Thank you for watching this video on thrifting and learning about the 30 thrifting store hacks and what items to buy and not to buy at thrift stores. We hope that these tips and tricks have been helpful in your thrifting journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you again for watching, and happy thrifting!